Hello everyone, welcome to prototype video of Smart India Hackathon 2019. I am Bhumika, a team member of Team Idea Wagon, and the problem statement was given to us by Contrive LED Lighting, and the problem statement was to design a LED fixture for hot and dusty environment. So here our prototype goes like this. Our LED is divided into two sections. This section is our airtight and insulated, and in this section we have placed the electronic circuitry of this LED. On the basis of our studies, we have found that there are generally three reasons for LED failures. First is junction temperature, second is ambient temperature, and third is dust. Of junction temperature, it is the heat generated by the LED due to its illuminescence. To reduce the junction temperature, we have used thermal paste along with copper heatsink, which takes the heat away from the junction to the fan. Mechanism can be basically characterized under the heat transfer through conduction and coming down to the fan. Also use air side heat transfer technique, that is creating an airflow over the heatsink. E-building's thermal insulation is provided between walls so as to maintain the inner temperature from surroundings. Picking the idea from there, we have implemented the idea of insulation in our LED. As this insulation will not allow the heat interaction of surroundings with LED, multiple layers are provided in chamber so as to reduce the heat transfer rate between LED and surroundings. To prevent our LED from dust, we have made this LED chamber as airtight. Prototype is under working. This electronic circuitry can be placed along with the LED, and this circuitry can also be made airtight like this. Now discussing the purpose of this electronic circuitry and additional components used here. A temperature sensor, which is DHT11, is used, and it sends data of temperature to the Arduino, which in turn control the fan through a relay. Both Arduino and fan runs on 5 volt of supply, which is managed by this 5 volt power adapter. Now coming to the one special feature of our prototype. The usage of LED is dependent on user application. The user can opt for the LED with fan and heat sink arrangement if ambient temperature is not that much high, and if it happens, then the user can also opt for the LED having this special feature. Copper tubes are used in which the coolant is flowing through a closed circuit which is being pumped by this pump. Coming to the end of the video, I want to highlight the features of our prototype. First, we have provided an option to the end user whether he wants to operate the LED in higher temperatures or not. Second, we have employed a mechanism for active and passive cooling. And third, we have provided a multi-layer insulation so as to reduce the heat transfer between ambient temperatures and LED. So once again, I want to convey my thanks to Anant Enersol Private Limited and SIH to give the problem statement to us and providing us the opportunity to give a solution to the problem. Thank you.